Hey everybody, welcome back for day 2. Okay, today's going to be way shorter, but you are going to be expected to turn in 2 things. Okay, so make sure you follow along so you know which 2 things to turn in. And if you did not turn in the video from yesterday, make sure you do that as well. All right, so if we look here, if you found this, awesome. Okay, like I said yesterday, here we go with the office hours up here in the left-hand corner. Okay, 10 to 1, make sure you contact me. You can either email me or send me a Schoology message, whatever works. Okay, so today's task, watch my video. Nice. Task 2. Okay, 2 and 3 are similar. You are submitting a screenshot from your iPad, okay, to prove that you are logged in with your Apple ID and that your iPad is up to date. Okay, both of these things need to be done in order for you to do some things in this class and be successful. Okay, so if you do not do these 2 things, a lot is going to happen for you down the road that will make it very, very hard. All right, so task 2 right here, submit a screenshot of your Apple ID to show you are logged in. On your iPad, follow these directions. Go to settings. Okay, once that comes up, your name is going to be on the left. Okay, it'll probably show your initials. Click on your name. Okay, then it's going to say your name and it'll have your Apple ID underneath. That is what you're screenshotting. Okay, that page right there. You don't need to go any further. You're just proving to us that you are logged in with that Apple ID. Okay, once you've screenshotted that, you're turning that in down here to the Manage Apple ID. Okay, that one is going here. Task 3, you're going to submit a screenshot to show your iPad settings are up to date with the latest iOS settings. So to do that, you're going to go to your settings, scroll down to General, and then Software Update, and then scroll the left side of the screen up so the student name shows. Okay, and then take a screenshot of the name and the update. Okay, so we just have to see that your iPad says it is up to date and that it is your iPad. Okay, once you've taken that screenshot, you're going to put it up here in the iPad update. All right, those are each 5 points. Easy points, easiest points you'll ever get. Once you're done with those, you are done for the day. Tomorrow we're going to start diving into our Wellness 1 content. All right, see y'all tomorrow.